Hello. I check something. A few minutes. I check. Okay. I check some. I check something. Okay. We start again.
Yes.
Start again. Okay. I review for you. Okay. You see the picture?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to share. Something wrong. I need to share my screen. Sorry. I need to share my screen. Come up now. Okay. Okay. You see now? Okay. My name Surapet Meung Suwan. Before is something wrong with my recording. Now it's okay now. Okay. Thai class Surapet Meung Suwan. My name Surapet. My last name Meung Suwan. Okay. I review for you again.
Huh?
Do something wrong.
No.
Oh, no. Okay. Alphabet. Review. Alphabet. What we say in Thai alphabet? What we say? อักษร
Axon.
Yes. อักษร
Axon.
Yeah. อักษร mean alphabet. Okay. Alphabet. อักษร mean alphabet. Okay. อักษร alphabet. Okay. Next. Consonant. Consonant. What we say in Thai? Consonant. พยัญชนะ
Prayachana.
Yeah. In English, consonant. In Thai, พยัญชนะ Yeah, mean consonant. In Thai, we have many consonants. We have more consonant than English. Okay? Yeah, consonant mean พยัญชนะ vowel สระ yes, vowel mean สระพยัญชนะ consonant สระ vowel and next tone mean วรรณยุกต์ when you speak Thai you be careful you need to speak the right tone clear right tone is important okay many foreigner speak Thai but Thai people not understand because you say the wrong tone okay tone mean วรรณยุกต์ yes in Thai we say วรรณยุกต์ okay วรรณยุกต์ mean tone okay วรรณยุกต์ okay the first letter you need to know กอไก่ yeah กอไก่is mean chicken the letter is like chicken we say กอไก่
means
yes
hen.
chicken or sometimes mean fowl fowl or chicken but many people know chicken กอไก่ mean chicken when you talk about
Sir,
go
how a consonant can have a meaning?
Huh?
How a consonant can have a meaning?
They have meaning when they put with a vowel. Now we study consonant. Only consonant no meaning. If we put a vowel, consonant and vowel, they go together, they have the meaning, okay? Okay. But now you study only consonant. กอไก่ ไก่ mean chicken. Yeah.
Chicken.
Next. What is? ขอไข่
Kokai.
ขอไข่
Kokai means egg.
Yeah, ขอไข่ mean egg. Egg. ขอไข่ egg. Okay. Next. คอควาย
Korakan is a buffalo.
buffalo คอควาย คอควาย คอควาย
Kokai.
คอควาย mean buffalo. Buffalo. Okay.
Buffalo.
After class, I have video for you. You can review. Okay. You can review. I upload to YouTube. After class, about 10 minutes, you can follow. You can review. Okay. This letter we say คอควาย
Kokai.
คอควาย คอควาย Okay. Next. คอระฆัง
Korakan.
คอระฆัง คอระฆัง ระฆัง mean bell.
A bell.
A bell. Yes, a bell. ระฆัง ระฆัง mean a bell. คอระฆัง คอระฆัง Okay. คอ is the name or letter. ระฆัง mean example. Okay. We say together คอระฆัง Okay. Next. ชอชิง ชอชิง
Chochi.
Yeah, ชอชิง ชิง mean symbol.
A symbol.
The name of music. The name of musical instrument. Okay. For music, we say ชิง is symbol. ชอชิง 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 Yes. Okay. Next. ชอช้าง
Chochang means
ชอช้าง
an elephant.
Yes, ช้าง mean elephant. If you how to remember is a good idea. You study the name of letter and about the name of letter with example. You remember. Okay. ชอช้าง ชอช้าง
Chochang.
ชอช้าง Yes, ชอช้าง Okay. And 6 letter, 6 consonant. You
Okay.
finish learn. Okay. We have 33 consonant. But if you learn
32.
more, you learn many consonant you not remember. Okay. Today 6 consonant you study. Okay. Okay. Who can show me? Go back. Who can show me how to say what letter? Okay. What letter? Tell me.
Kokai.
กอไก่ Yes, กอไก่ Yes, กอไก่
Kokai.
กอไก่ Okay. What letter? What letter? ขอไข่ 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 Yes, ขอไข่ Yes. Next.
Kokai.
คอควาย คอควาย Okay, good. Next.
Kokai.
What letter?
Korakan.
คอระฆัง คอระฆัง Yes, คอระฆัง คอระฆัง
Korakan.
Yes, คอระฆัง Next. What letter? You see? Yes. ชอ
Korakan
ชิง
means dog.
ชอชิง ชอชิง Good.
Choching.
Yes. Next. Last one.
Choching is symbols.
Huh? What is? What letter? ชอช้าง ชอช้าง ช้าง mean elephant. Yeah. ชอช้าง Okay. About consonant, today we study only 6 consonant. We stop 5 minutes. I want to
Hmm?
upload this video to YouTube 10 minutes and you can follow. Okay. 5 minutes stop and I go to I come to the class again. Okay. 5 minutes. I come back. Okay.